You can't be a good machine learning engineer if the following statements are true for you. Is it worth spending years studying only to realize later that this job isn't for you? I've been a machine learning engineer for 10 years, worked on 50 projects and taught more than 500 students. I understand the difficulties of this career. If you work as a machine learning engineer or even as a software developer, you must deliver on deadlines. In regular software development, this is usually easier. Why? Because machine learning is research and development. You often can't predict when a project will be finished or if it's even possible at all. That means you work under pressure while managers still expect fixed deadlines. At the start of an AI project, managers love to ask, how accurate will the model be? But accuracy mostly depends on the quality and amount of data, not just the engineer. Often, leaders want to exact numbers before we even see the data. That causes misunderstandings because the truth is, accuracy is only clear after lots of experiments. 5 years ago, it was easier for junior machine learning engineers, but now, with foundation models, AI agents, many tasks that used to be done by juniors can be solved faster with tools. Juniors are still needed, but you must prove yourself more and have stronger skills. So patience and persistence are key. If you don't like learning every day, pick another career, because AI is the fast and changing field today. You will need at least 1 or 2 hours daily for self-study if you want to stay in the game. But if you enjoy reading papers, trying new libraries and discussing them at meetups, this will actually be the most exciting part of your job. You need strong math and programming foundations. Usually, it takes 1-2 years of study before someone can even apply for a junior role. These basics will help you when new frameworks appear. Skip them and you will struggle later. If you are a machine learning engineer, you might think you will spend your time training models. The truth, most of it goes into understanding data, cleaning data, preparing data, and talking with business teams. You will also work closely with data engineers. Many newcomers are disappointed by this dirty work, but this is what separates real professionals from hobbyists. Management often has unrealistic expectations. Many believe AI can solve everything. They think models are ready-made and only need plugging in. That's the hype effect. Your job is to calmly explain what's possible and what's not in business language they understand. Sometimes you work for months on a model as a machine learning engineer, and in the end it never goes into production. Not because your work was bad, but because the business problem wasn't well defined. That's very frustrating. This is why asking many questions at the start is crucial. For a machine learning engineer, a lot of your day will be coding and experimenting alone. If you are introverted, that might be fine. If not, it can be tough. Finding a community, meetups or conferences is important to stay motivated long term. Today, many people call themselves AI experts, even if they only started months ago. Often, people good at marketing sell themselves better than real engineers. That means you also need to learn how to present yourself, write blogs, give talks, or showcase your work. Otherwise, someone else might take the spotlight even with less knowledge. These are the negatives, but I don't regret choosing this career. For me, the positives of being a machine learning engineer still outweigh the negatives. If you are interested, check out my other video about why you should become a machine learning engineer. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe. If you want me to share one of my machine learning courses on YouTube for free, just leave a comment that says free course. Once we reach 1000 of these comments across my videos, I will publish the course. And don't forget to subscribe so you will get notified when it comes out.